Today we're gonna make 2 drinks, high-end tequila and a low-end tequila. Which do you think, if any, will have a taste difference between them? Did that make any sense?
No, not really.
It doesn't matter, just keep watching.
Yeah, tequila's good.
It will when you watch.
Yeah. Welcome to Comment Cocktails. Jennifer, Dan, and Derek are gonna make, well, they're gonna make a drink called the Passion Cocktail.
That was a tough one to get out.
Well, it started with the word tequila, but that's just
like
the category.
Passion.
This is Jennifer's selection for our tournament bracket that will go up against, I think, Ian's or whatever he comes up with, the Aviation.
It's probably going to be better than Ian's, I'm pretty sure.
So,
not that you're biased.
So this recipe is going to be made. It's going to be made twice.
Mine's going to be the best, though.
It's 2 ounces of blanco tequila, 3 ounces of cranberry juice, 1 ounce of lime juice, 2 ounces of orange liqueur. Wow, that's a lot. And a lime slice. This drink, I don't know where you got it, but
I don't remember where I got it.
It's a drink.
On the web somewhere.
We're going to take and make 2 variations. Jennifer's doing the middle of the shelf. She's doing a Hornitos Plata, 100% de agave. Dan is doing our blind taste testing champion, Siete Leguas, which is probably in the 45s, 35, something more. It's at least $15 more than Plata.
It's really good.
So the question is it going to make a difference in this drink? I would hope so, because it's more expensive.
Do you think?
Yeah, I think it will.
There's 2 ounces against...
It tastes more tequila-y.
Tequila-y?
It's 2 ounces...
We're very scientific.
Agave-y?
Agave-y?
I mean, if you want to go through a lot of like citrus liqueur, this is the drink for you. 2 ounces of
It's a pretty big drink.
There's ice.
Yeah, there is no ice. It's turtles all the way down. Now, our executive producer for this episode is Simon. They paid via PayPal.
I got egg last time.
So if you want to become like Simon and donate to us via PayPal, that's cool. That's commentcocktails.com/donate or something. Tip. Either way, they both get you the same place.
That's right. To the top.
You can smell what the rock is cooking. Now,
have you had this drink before?
Yes.
That's a great question. Yep. I haven't. Did I?
Have we
probably tried it.
It could have been one of those drinks that she made me make you at your house. That I
that was the other one that I didn't pick.
Oh. She's been testing this on us for like years. And we didn't even know.
I don't remember drinking anything like this.
You didn't have this. No. I had this. Just because I had it doesn't mean you had it.
This is what happens when she experiments with drinks. She like comes downstairs and like 20 minutes later she comes upstairs all drunk.
You're like sweet.
All the time. I see why it's called chocolate passion.
I'd say
Can I have a lime?
so we can kind of keep track this time.
Well, I don't even have a garnish.
Not even any like little paper umbrellas.
All right then.
I have those, yeah.
Yeah.
You do that?
Give me a bamboo or get a bamboo stick.
Derek's got a
Put a bamboo stick in yours.
problem.
Put a coconut in?
No. Put it in yours.
Oh, okay.
No.
Jeez.
Not unless you want to operate all the dangerous mechanics.
Slice that.
This one, I only need one for the shot. That looks cool. Why is it that... Oh, it's the cranberry juice. It looks cooler than the pink Cadillac margarita. So the pink Cadillac margarita, a link up here, Dawn thought was too sweet. I was thinking that would be true too. Like, I think what happens...
I don't know, but the amount of orange you got in this thinks this will be sweet too.
Oh, yeah, I know, right?
I don't think it. Well, I don't remember.
So the stick means expensive?
Stick is expensive?
All right.
No stick? No expensive.
You got your picture?
First? Yeah, I got it.
We shouldn't have differentiated. We should have just tasted.
Oh, it's not a blind tasting.
Oh, that adds a whole nother layer of fucking confusing.
That's true. Then we'd have to mark stuff.
I have to remember.
Yeah, I'm not fucking thirsty. Damn it. Puff, puff, give. See, this is why I stay in the middle.
That's the etiquette.
This is why I stay in the middle, so I always get the drink.
I know it's far. Yeah. It's very far.
Damn. Oh, it's good.
Oh, yeah, I see how it's going to be.
I think I know which one I want.
Refreshing.
Mmm. Yeah. You can tell the difference. That's amazing. Which is good.
Oh, you can definitely tell the difference.
Yeah. That one tastes like a fruity beverage that you get at a hotel.
Yep.
That one tastes like a tequila cocktail.
Yeah, I like that one. The
It's
best.
got like a saltiness to it, like a
More
beach.
tequila-y.
It's tequila-y. She did this test already.
No, I didn't.
You said it was more tequila-y. You said
Well,
you.
she was saying, of the
based
tequila.
off the tequilas, I knew it was going to be more. I had my theory that it was more tequila-y.
So you had a theory, you made up a new word, and then
Someone is just.
I know.
this is
Appropriate for tequila drinks.
Very true.
that actually thinking of that would be even good with a little bit of salt, I think. On that.
Definitely, yeah. You definitely need a salted rim on that
It's
one.
not too sour.
Nope.
I don't like my chances.
I just feel like the cranberry doesn't make it tart.
And the orange
No.
doesn't make it super sweet.
Not at all.
No, and it doesn't taste too much citrus forward, and
that's
it
right,
doesn't
there's
taste
no
like
sugar
a
in it.
pink Cadillac margarita.
Well, besides the orange
Besides the
liqueur.
orange.
There's
Yeah.
2 ounces of that. There's some sugar in there.
Yeah, but there's
No, but it's
there's
not
3
like-
ounces of cranberry juice.
Yeah.
Cranberry juice, that's got sugar too, no?
It's got sugar, but it's more bitter than
Yeah.
Yeah.
sweet.
It's got more sugar than, say, cranberry crush, as we found out.
Oh yeah,
It'd be a really cool red.
No, it's really good.
So,
I
what
like the Siete.
you're going to go with the high end
Yeah.
one. So, there's 2
Yeah.
lessons here. It's going to be very hard now to win, and, because this is a really tasty, delicious drink, and that's always
I'll
tough.
take it out. Yeah, no, it's really good.
You're doing rum though. Come on, let's be serious.
Yeah.
That's not a hard.
So, I agree with you.
It's like Jen's favorite.
Yeah.
She's going to vote her own drink away because something else has rum in it.
No, I would never go that
Never.
far.
No.
No, and it's mine. No.
Yeah, that's right, and it's his.
That's
It's
why
not
we have an
mine.
independent judging.
That's
at the
right.
end.
The lesson here, the moral of the story is if you buy a $40 bottle of vodka and a $20 bottle of vodka, you're not going to tell the difference. You buy a $40 bottle of tequila and a $20 bottle of tequila, you can tell the difference.
Yes, but Hornitos isn't a bad.
This is
Tequila.
fine.
Yeah, it's only what you want the tequila to taste.
This
I mean,
is
a lot
perfect.
of like silver tequila is also very,
Neutral.
very.
Yeah, it's,
This is great for people who don't necessarily know they're on the edge about tequila.
Yeah.
And they have
Yeah.
people coming over, they want a tequila drink, you want to introduce them to the brand. This is the person who's like, I like tequila. I have 17,000 different bottles at home. That's the person you
Yes.
serve this to
Like
instead.
him.
I used to
yeah,
have
but
a
it's not
lot.
Bobby like that.
That's true. That's
I had a lot once, and then they drank it
Right
all.
now.
Good impression of yourself.
That's actually what you sound like.
If I can't do a good impression of myself, then I'm fucking dumb.
So Siete,
right.
Siete
Siete
Leguas.
Leguas.
like it's,
That's a good tequila.
It's good.
7 Leagues.
yes,
Go buy it.
no, I like that one too.
Buy it today. They're not even sponsoring. Damn it. Okay. If you're new here, then you should go to recipe.awesomerich.com because that's where we keep all these cool recipes. I don't think this one's there, but it will be when this goes out because that's pretty cool. Look at.
Yeah.
It's gonna have to go up on our
It's
website.
tasty.
It's good, but we couldn't have had it before tonight.
Okay,
It would have
sure.
ruined it.
It
That's right.
would have just destroyed our entire opinion. Sidebar over there for more videos. Probably the rest of the bracket. My drinks will be over there, like the bourbon drink, and then we can see how that's going to go up against the next round, which
The
is
winner.
gonna be ugly. We're done.
Chose a higher up.
We're teaching you how to drink.
Every day.